Fun with colors! Hello everyone! Today, let's draw a honeybee. Let's begin with the face. Do you know what sound does honeybees make? Yes, they buzz. Now, we will draw the wings. It's ready. Let's color with fun with colors. Do you know which color is this? This is yellow color. If you wish to color the same image of honeybee, you can go in the description box, click on the link and download the image. This is orange color. Can you tell me which color is this? Correct! This is green color. Subscribe to the channel for more drawing and coloring videos. Do you know which color is this? Yes, this is blue color. It's red.